Right guys, how's it going? I got gifted this from a really good friend, the Minuteman Trapper from Rough Rider, and this is model number RR1447, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. First of all, what I'm carrying today. If you could drop in the comments guys what you're carrying, if you're carrying today. I'm carrying a little cold steel tough light. I love this little knife, great little knife, wonderful choke right up on it, Osset A steel, Taiwan, yeah, made in Taiwan, great knife. Also carrying Spyderco, the Yo Jumbo, CPM S30V, made in the US, Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth. Yeah, so carrying this one today. This one's modified. I modified this one, changed the screws, put a lynch clip on, got it running. Perfect, beautiful knife. Also carrying a little AAA Streamlight flashlight. Handy little pocket dropping flashlights these. I love them that come in like a single AA battery or single AAA. So this is a single AAA. I use rechargeables in them. Yeah, that's what I'm carrying. Alright, back to the Minuteman Trapper. And yeah, pretty nice box. Little Rough Rider. There it is. Let's take a look. Alright, now this is in smooth white bone. And yeah, it's got brass pins, brass liners. No gapping back here. That dark line there, that's just a bit of whatever the inlay into there, that'll clean off. But yeah, not seeing any gapping at all there. And we got nice ringed nickel silver bolsters. Yeah, nicely rounded off. And here we've got the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Yeah, see that? And there's your Minuteman there. Now this comes from, this is for folks that aren't living in the USA, may not know about the Second Amendment and all that. So this is my little copy of the United States Constitution. Good little book, this one. It's leather, covered in leather. Great little pocket book. Anyway, I'll put a link down below for all this stuff. So in here we've got the amendments to the Constitution, and the Second Amendment, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. So that's exactly what it says here in the copy of the Constitution, which is printed here. So pretty nice little gift to someone who supports the Second Amendment or the Constitution in general. And on this blade here, which is 440A stainless steel, and what they call embellishments, it's got the defend the Second Amendment and the American Eagle. Pretty nice, lovely little clip point blade, nice and sharp this one. Match strike pull. We've got Rough Rider here on the tang, and on this side it's got the model number, China, which is where it's made, and 440 razor sharp steel right there. And the blades are nicely centered on this, really happy with it. Now let's take a look at the spare blade. Rough Rider on the tang here, nothing this side, but we've got the Minuteman Trapper written here with a old long rifle there, long gun, black powder long gun there. It's your spare blade, which was originally designed for spaying animals. Has many other uses, good for skinning, whatever, just a good old round blade. I never used to like the look of the spare blade, this like chopped off bit, but after having carrying a few. I got kind of used to it, and now it's growing on me. Let's say that. So if you want a little pocket knife here, which is 4 1/8 of an inch closed, let's take a look at that. 4 1/8. It's yeah, there you go, just over 4 inches really. And the clip point blade is 3 1/8 inch with a cutting edge of exactly 3 inch cutting edge. And I think the spare blade is identical length. Let's take a quick look. Cutting edge, yeah, 3 inches. And the blade stock thickness is about 2.3 mil. On the spare blade, I'm sure it's going to be exactly the same on the clip point. Yeah, 2.3. Yeah, nice little knife. Nice. It's got a good pull on this one. A decent spring strength. I'd say it's pulling at about an 8, 7 maybe. Yeah, both of them pulling the same. Feels good in the hand. Yeah, they're pretty nice knives, these. Yeah, I haven't cleaned this one, but it's pretty clean inside. Nice brass liners, brass pins, nickel silver bolsters, ringed. Yeah, nice little knife, happy to have it. Let's compare to some other trappers. There you go, we got another Rough Rider lockback at the top. And we've got a Boca tree brand at the bottom there. Again, another couple of nice, really nice trappers. Pretty similar size, pretty similar. This one's blade's a little shorter than the one on the top, and the Boca's about the same. And here we got the daddy, the daddy Rough Rider. This is one of 1,000, number 827, but this one is a monster. I gotta hold the camera right up back here. Look at the size of that thing. Let's put that down in comparison to the others. There you go. So there you go, that's the Minuteman Trapper. Nice little, inexpensive, about 20 bucks on Amazon. Links down below. Alright, thanks for watching guys, we'll catch you later.